Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss the questions on uh, Cartesian product and ordered pairs. Now that is exercise 2.1. And the question number first is, if two ordered pairs, that is x by 3 plus 1, y minus 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 equals to 5 upon 3, 1 upon 3, we have to find the value of x and y. By definition of equality of two ordered pairs, that is, two ordered pairs are equal if and only if their first components and their second components are equal, that is, their corresponding components are equal. Here, first component of this first ordered pair is x upon 3 plus 1, and first of the second is 5 upon 3. Similarly, second of the first ordered pair is y minus 2 upon 3, and second of the second is y upon 3. So after solving this, we simply get x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. This means that when x equals to 2, y equals to 1, these two ordered pairs x upon 3 plus 1, y minus 2 upon 3 equals to 5 upon 3, 1 upon 3. Now the question number second, if A has 3 elements, this means that number of elements in A is 3 and B is 3, 4, 5. We have to find the number of elements in A cross B. Here number of elements in A is 3, number of elements in B is 3. Now here n of A cross B equals to n of A into n of B. Because A has 3 elements, B has 3 elements, and number of elements in A cross B is always equals to number of the elements in A into number of elements in B. That is 3 into 3, that is simply 9. The question number 3 is, if G equals to 7, 8, H equals to 5, 4, 2. We have to find G cross H and H cross G. Here G cross H is simply all of the set of all ordered pairs whose first entry is from G and second from H. Here H has 3 elements, G has 2 elements. This means that G cross H has 6 elements, that is these 6. Similarly, H cross G is 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 7, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2, 8. By considering all the elements from H and for the ordered pairs whose first entries are from these 3 elements. Now if P equals to Mn, Q equals to Nm, we have two sets, then is this true that P cross Q equals to Mn and Nm? Since we know that P cross M is Mn, Mm, Nm, Nn, because it has two elements, there are two elements in P, two elements in Q, which implies that P cross Q has 4 elements. Now it is given that P cross Q has 2 elements, so clearly it is false statement. Similarly, now the second statement is actually question number 4 is we have to prove whether it is true or false. Now the second is A cross B equals to set of all ordered pairs whose first entry is from A and second from B. So clearly it's true statement because it is a definition of the Cartesian product of two sets. Now the fifth one is, if A equals to 1 and minus 1, we have to find the elements in A cross A cross A. A cross A cross A is nothing but it is a set of all ordered triplets. Here we have to consider these entries from A. Now how to find A cross A cross A? Simply by considering 1 as in all the 3 positions, by considering 1 at first position, by considering this. In this way we can find these 8 elements in this A cross A, because A has 2 elements, 1 and minus 1, which implies that A cross A equals to n of A into n of A into n of A, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is simply 8. Now the sixth one is, if A cross B equals to AX, AY, BX, BY. So this means that here in Cartesian product of these two sets A and B, we have 4 elements. So by definition, AX belongs to A cross B, because clearly it shows that this set A cross B has AX as an element. We know that by the definition, if AB belongs to A cross B implies that first element belongs to A, second belongs to B, that is A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Here this element AX belongs to all these four elements, that is AX, AY, BX, BY. These belongs to this A cross B, which implies that first element, that is first element of these ordered pairs is A and B, which implies that AB belongs to A, and the second element of these all ordered pairs which belongs to A cross B or X and Y, which implies that X belongs to B, Y belongs to B, which implies that A equals to set AB, B equals to XY, because A cross B has four elements. N of A cross B is N of A into N of B, which implies that N of A is 2, N of B is 2. Hence, A equals to AB and B equals to XY. Now, the last one is, if it is given, it is the question, actually question number 9. If N of A equals to 3, N of B is 2. That is, A has 3 elements, B has 2 elements. And X1, Y2, Z1 or 3 different elements in A cross B. We have to find A and B. Here XY belongs to this A cross B, which implies that X belongs to A and 1 belongs to B. Y2 belongs to A cross B implies that Y belongs to A, 2 belongs to B. Similarly, Z1 belongs to A cross B implies that Z belongs to A and 1 belongs to B. Which implies that the 3 elements in A are X, Y and Z, and it is given that the 3 elements, A has 3 elements, hence the set simply A is X, Y and Z. Also, B has 2 elements. It is given that N of B is 2. 1 belongs to B, 2 belongs to B, which implies that B equals to 1, 2. Now the 10th one is, if A cross A has 9 elements, this means that it is given N of A cross B is 9. And 0, 1 and minus 1, 0 are the 2 elements of this A cross A. We have to simply find set A. Here 0, 1 belongs to A implies that first element, that 0 belongs to A and 1 belongs to A, because 1 is second element, which implies that it belongs to second A, hence simply we can say that 0 and 1 belongs to A. Also minus 1, 0 belongs to A. This means that minus 1 belongs to A and 0 belongs to A. So this means that the 3 different elements or distinct elements which belongs to A are 1, 1, minus 1 and 0. 1, minus 1 and 0. Now it is given that A cross A has 9 elements. That is, N of A cross A is 9, which implies that 9 equals to N of A into N of A. That is N of A square. So N of A square is actually 9. This means that here N of A is plus minus 3, because square root of 3 of 9 is 3, plus minus 3. But A is actually, N of A is number. Number cannot be negative. Hence N of A is 3. So this means that N of A is 3 from the given information. And we find A has, here we calculated, A has 3 different elements, which implies that in general A equals to 0, 1 and minus 1. So in this way we completed this topic, that is Cartesian product of two sets. Inshallah, in tomorrow's video lecture we will discuss another topic, important topic, that is relations, and how to find the relations, how we define the relation, and how to find the relation between the two sets. So thank you.